It's almost noon, so technically not a good morning, but I'm just starting my day. It's Friday. Took today off. Just because I had the days off I could take. But it is turning into a big prep day because we're supposed to get 2 feet of snow tomorrow. Yeah, so we need to do a lot of prep. We need to run to the store and get some stuff. And there's also Chinese New Year coming up, which I was gonna prep for tomorrow, but since the snowstorm, yeah, I need to prep for that today, get the ingredients I need. So yeah, taking the dogs out right now. I have a Zoom call in about a half an hour, and then after that, hopefully I'll be able to run to the store for my hair appointment. I have a haircut, and Jack also has a haircut. He's dyeing his hair too, so that'll be interesting to see.
Oh shit.
Jiggers, it's Charlie's turn. Leave it. Charlie, why you do that? Charlie, come on. Okay, so heading out to grab a car. We're gonna run to H Mart, the Korean grocery store in Cambridge, pick up some things, and hopefully have time to run to Chinatown as well. My hair appointment's in an hour, so I don't know if we'll make it back in time, but fingers crossed we do. Or I guess fingers crossed we do have time to go to Chinatown. We're definitely gonna be making the appointment regardless, so yeah, we'll see. I feel like I've got nothing done today, so this would be a good thing to accomplish. Come on, Charlie. So, what do we think? I like it. It's pretty basic, I think. It's a little bit shorter, definitely a lot healthier. Jack is still there. He's been there for 2 hours now. I'm curious to see what he comes back looking like. He said they're not going to dye the tips red. It's just going to be more of like a brassy bleach job. I don't know what he's gonna come back with it cut as, but I'm sure it'll be good. So yeah, just got back from the grocery store. So I left the salon at around 5:15, maybe 5. Just getting back from the grocery store. I went to the grocery store after. I got in the checkout line it was like literally so busy, which is to be expected, but I don't know, I just kind of thought everyone would have gone already today to avoid the crowds, but that obviously wasn't the case. So it's really interesting to see like what people prioritize, because first of all, I totally thought all the meat was going to be sold out, because like, I mean, in the city it's not as likely that we'll lose our power, especially being in these high-rise buildings. Like there's generators and stuff, so that's not really a concern of like if you have meat or cheese or dairy in the fridge. But so many people were getting pasta. Like there was no pasta, none of the like box stuff. Thankfully we have a box that we got yesterday, but and there actually was there were 3 boxes of linguine left, all the way in the back on the bottom row, so no one really saw them. I got a lot of stuff, probably a lot more than I really needed to. So I needed something for dinner tonight, dinner tomorrow, and then lunch tomorrow probably. A lot of restaurants are closing because of this storm. It's literally gonna be a record-breaking blizzard. It's gonna be a mess out there. I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous though too. We're in the 24-inch plus range, so over 2 feet of snow, and they don't know how much exactly. All flights into Boston have been canceled tomorrow, except for I think one somewhere on the other side of the world. But I don't know if they're gonna be able to land because literally every other flight is canceled. So yeah. He's still there. I'm going to put the groceries away. I guess I don't really have a rush anymore. I was kind of rushing to get things started, but I'm taking my time now. 7 o'clock. He's still not close to being done. So yeah. So this is everything. Oh, switch. This is everything I got. Well, aside from the condoms on that side. So from here, everything I got. I also got actually all these waters. So yeah, that's actually 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4 dinners, 5 meals because we can get breakfast, and hopefully more meals because everything will make at least twice. Like we'll have leftover risotto, we'll have leftover meat marinara, we always have leftover of the cream sauce, and we're definitely gonna have leftover of the barbecue pork. So yeah, this should last us a while. We'll see how long it actually does. You like it?
You like it?
Yeah.
It just took a really long time.
It took a really long time.
But I like it though.
Yeah. Do you want to show the camera? I was recording as I walked in. I should do the after.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks really good in the light. plated up the final product, but chicken looks so good. Risotto. Yum. I can't wait to eat. It's gonna be good. The risotto is really good today. I already tried it. Snow is starting.
He's trying. Ah!